Alright guys, this is how to fix the grinding noise problem in your Xbox 360 disk drive. This is the BenQ model. Right there we have the Xbox disassembled. And what you want to do is take your disk drive out completely. Oh, and blow really hard on the eye, because that gets off any dust. And then the moisture will just go off the die. I mean, it doesn't give you that much moisture, but don't do it that hard. And what you want to do is this rubber part right here. If your Xbox is grinding, probably most of the time is because your disc slides around and it creates that grinding noise. And what it does is when your Xbox just tries to stop the disc slides over this part because there's too much dust. As you can see on this baby cloth right here, the dirt that came off, I'm still cleaning it off. And plus, the metal part in this right here, you want to wipe that down with a Q-tip. I'll show you that in a minute. So just gently do this. Or you can wipe it down with this too. You can just do this. And it gets the dust off of the disk drive. And you might want to just dab this on the top. This doesn't ruin anything, so this is completely safe to do. Just don't get it on the eye or anything. Just do this. And your disk drive should not grind anymore. If it does, it's probably a laser problem. Or, I don't know, but I fixed mine a week ago and it hasn't grind. And it plays discs, it plays DVDs now pretty much better than what it used to when I blew the dust off. You can also get the back ports too. And it sometimes may be tricky to open up take apart, dislocate the disk drive. Just make sure what cords you put in. Don't put them in backwards or don't put them in the wrong spot. And make sure you reset this right there. And so once you get all that dust off, all that dirt, you can now use your Xbox again, and it will stop your games instead of the games sliding on the disk drive, the plastic part, and scratching it. Yep. And just remember, do not tilt your Xbox horizontally or vertically when you have a game in there and it's playing, because it will scratch it. So just lightly rub it around and move this. Yep. And then, that's how you do it. Eric out.